Alright, so I am super excited about the new headers and X-Pipe from Texas Speed. I actually ordered these last Friday, late afternoon, probably around 3, 4 o'clock. And just got them today, which is Thursday, which is really quick turnaround because they probably didn't even get to the order, to actually seeing the order until Monday. So, very quick shipping. Now, you'll see in a minute, I did get the catted X-Pipe. So with the catted X-Pipe, it was, I think, $9.99. And then you throw in their shipping charge of, it was like 70 and change. So the total price was about $10.70 shipped to the house, which is pretty good for a, 1 3/4 inch header system with a 3-inch mid pipe and cats. If you were to go with like Kooks or anybody else, you're gonna spend a lot more than that. So let's take a look at the quality on these, and we'll go from there. All right, so in the first box we have the 3-inch X-Pipe with the cats. I did go with the cats. I didn't want to go with the off-road X-Pipe, which would delete the cats. Just personal preference, but this is a 3-inch mid-pipe. And then after that, it goes to, these are 3-inch as well, which will neck down to 2.5. So you can connect to either your stock exhaust, or if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have another box coming for the axle back exhaust. And then over here we got all the clamps for clamping, these pieces together, and then new gaskets for back here. So that's in that box. And then over here we have our headers. The headers are 1 3/4 inch primary, goes down to a 3-inch collector, which goes to those X-pipes. I decided to go with 1 3/4 inch only because I'm not adding too much power to the car. It's probably just going to stay the way it is, just with an exhaust system. I have a little intake now, so that's probably as far as I'm going to go. Included with the headers, you get your O2 sensor extensions. You also get a set of new gaskets. And again, all the hardware, all the clamps to clamp up your X-Pipe to your headers. Now, and then just looking at all these welds look, they look pretty good. I mean, there's definitely a quality header and, exhaust system here from Texas Speed. Now, like I said, I mean, this whole set was a little over $1,000, with the catted X-Pipe. If you were to go without the cats, I think it's like $300 less or something like that. So, very good system for the money. So that's going to do it for today's video. I just want to give you a quick unboxing of the Texas Speed headers, just to show you what's included when you buy their system. I'm not getting the other piece of the exhaust system until probably another week or maybe even 2 weeks. So I'm not going to be putting this whole system in the car until probably sometime in April. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be bringing it up to my wife's uncle's house, and we're going to take one Saturday or Sunday, morning and put these in. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.